In this video, I'll show you how to connect wired headphones or your 3.5mm headphones to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, this phone does not have an audio jack port, it does have a USB-C port. And to connect wired headphones to this phone, all you need is an adapter like this one, that is Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. And what you need to do is simply connect one end of this 3.5mm headphones to the adapter, and then this other end to your phone. Now, this particular adapter is from Ugreen, but you can use any adapter that looks the same from any other company. So once you connect your headphones like that, you can start using them. And as you can see at the top here, my headphones are currently connected and I can start using them to consume any media on my phone, be it on YouTube or if it's even music. So you can play anything and it's going to start playing through your headphones just like that. Now, what happens if you want to charge your phone and this particular port is occupied? Well, there's a solution for that as well. So this one only has this that variation that I just explained, but there's one from the same company that is Type-C, and on this other end it has pass-through USB-C charging and also the 3.5mm headphone jack port. So you can do the same thing, connect your headphones to the headphone jack port and then connect this other end to your phone, and the result will be the same. You'll start using your headphones to listen to music, and as well, you can, if you have a charger, you can connect it to this other end just like that, and your phone should start charging, as you can see, while also connected to your headphones. Now, I'll link these two adapters down in the description below so you can get them for yourself, but that's basically how to connect your wired headphones or 3.5mm headphones or or earbuds to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this video is useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Comments and questions down below. Until the next video, take care and God bless.